guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I just want to try to give you some ideas of an arrangement that you can make with items from the Dollar Tree or just inexpensive pots. So this is my favorite one currently that I found at the Dollar Tree, only because first of all, it's galvanized, super cute, and you can hang it anywhere, so I really like that. You can also use this one from the Dollar Tree. You would have to drill a hole because it doesn't have one, but yeah, this is really nice. I think it's a candle holder. You can use it for different things. I hold it to use my toothbrushes or a candle or fake flowers inside the house, but you definitely have to make a hole in this one if you wanted to use it. Can't do that, Dollar Tree also carries these two for $1, so you can do that, or you can pick this one up from Home Depot for 77 cents, which I really like. This is my favorite size that Home Depot carries, and you can give it a white wash if you wanted to, or a pale pink wash with paint, and it will look really nice. So today I'll be working with cuttings, but you can work with any plant that you want. You can easily just pop this whole one in there, and that would look really pretty, and just put decorative rocks and it's ready to go. Also, Dollar Trees will sell the little balloons that say Happy Mother's Day, and you guys can just stick that right in there and it'll be super cute. So today I'm just going to show you what these arrangements look like. They're not going to be permanent because I'll be using them for another project, but I just wanted to give you guys an idea. So these are cuttings that I just recently took off of in my garden. So this is a hedgehog aloe, and this is really cute. Normally you can pull these out with the root, but this one was kind of stubborn, did not want to come out, so I just cut it, and that's okay, it will root. I would probably start with this one because it's the biggest. Well, it is not, it's almost the biggest one. So yeah, you could just stick this one here on the side if you want, or in the center, however you want. There is no right or wrong way to do it. These kalanchoes, they have really beautiful colors when they're stressed, but they're also pretty when they're not stressed. They get these little nice pink edges, and these are, I don't know, I have so many favorites, but these are so easy to propagate as well. These little things that you see, they're actually roots, so they're constantly shooting out roots, so that is also that'll make it easy to propagate. I'm using dry soil, of course, and then if I were to give this as a gift to someone, I would tell them not to water or allow any water to fall into it for about, I don't know, it can go 2 weeks, obviously. And just, you could snap that off right there. And I'm gonna put this one in the back. Can trim some of these and make it easier for myself. These leaves can also produce little plants on the leaves itself, so you might want to try to propagate those. Sometimes they do and sometimes they don't. Already looking super cute. And then I really didn't, I just picked different things from the garden, no specific rhyme, no specific reason or anything. I just trimmed a bunch. This is a firestorm sedum, very nice, gives it a nice different color there. That's what I like about the succulents. You can easily create something really nice without even trying too hard, not putting a lot of thought into it, and it'll just come together real easily. Okay, and then I could stick these in here, they would look cute, but I think I'm gonna go, this is another kalanchoe. I like to keep these short. They do get tall, and also they can trail as well, but I like to keep them short. Once they get tall, I snip them, put them together in a nice little pot, and they look really cute, compact. So I really like that. I wanted to mention something about kalanchoes in case you guys don't know. Even plants that are like this, they tend to So this is not leggy. This is how they grow. They're meant to grow like this. They trail. And sometimes when you cut them and you don't put them somewhere upright to get roots, let's say I'm letting this callus over. If I lay it on its side, it tends to curve, kind of like looking for the light. So this one, here's a perfect example of a kalanchoe looking for light. It wasn't getting light where it was, so it's trying to turn and trying to get some light. But it will correct itself, so don't you worry. If you purchase some kalanchoes and they turn to the side like this on you, go ahead and plant them and give them some good morning light from morning to 11, and they will straighten out for you. So yeah, so I'm just gonna grab these. These are like really good little fillers, and they change colors as well. You'll see them when they're stressed. They look, they'll have like a peachy color and stuff. And they also develop the farina that I like. I could get more. I have lots of it because I propagate it so much. The soil's too low there. What else can I put in there? I can put this jade in there. Here is a close-up look of it, guys. How pretty that is. But now we'll use it for, we'll use some of these things for a smaller, maybe I don't know if I'll use all, but let's see. Can we use the aloe? Can the aloe be our middle? Let's see for aloes or middle. I don't know. This aloe might be too big. So if you want it to make it in a smaller scale, you can. It's so easy to work with cuttings. And you can also, many people will put their top dressing down first and then place their cuttings as well. So you can do that. Make it easy for you when you're planting. So you can leave it like that and put top dressing, or just place more plants in there if you want, because there's room. Here is a close-up of this one. So there you go. See how cute that is? It's so easy. But yeah, that's it. That's what I wanted to show you guys. You can do one plant if you wanted to. If you didn't have lots of plants, the one plant also looks super cute. If you guys enjoyed this video, thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel. You guys have a blessed day. Bye guys.